Fishing and boating are more than outdoor activities. They're how families make memories on the water. Across the country, federal excise taxes paid by manufacturers and importers of fishing equipment, and a portion of the motorboat fuel tax, help support the operation and maintenance of state-run fish hatcheries. These federal excise taxes, combined with state fishing license revenue, support more than 320 state-run hatcheries nationwide, raising over 77 species and stocking more than 1 billion fish each year. These hatcheries serve a dual purpose, supporting healthy fish populations, while also acting as centers for public education, where local communities can learn firsthand how hatcheries help sustain fisheries for everyone to enjoy. Through sport fish restoration, anglers, boaters, and industry partners help sustain the fisheries that make these moments possible, today and for generations to come.